Hi, baby. Are you ready for the bedtime story? After this, you have to sleep, okay? So, our story for tonight is about the playful puppy. Look at this puppy. It's very cute, right? And it's very playful. The big red ball goes, then pop. This puppy's game will have to stop. This puppy licks a bone that's yellow. He really is a happy fellow. Here's an old sleeper. Let's have a game. Can you give this puppy a name? So, what's your name for this puppy? Look, a red toy car zooms into sight. This puppy barks and jumps with fright. Oh no! This puppy drinks with a slop slop sound, but most of the water goes on the ground. Oh, poor puppy. This puppy's tired. He curls up tight. It's time for bed. Now switch off the light. Have a good night.